Hey guys, Zach Bartle here at Bowling RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today we're going to take a walk around this Cherokee Wolf Den 2024 272 BRB. Let's take a look at it. First thing you're going to notice around the outside here, we're going to pan back a little bit. Beautiful, massive windows here on the fireside. It's the front here being nice, massive storage here, and I believe there's a cubby there that goes underneath the main bedroom in the back there, so it allows you access to the storage even when you're inside, along with these magnetic latches. Nice decal on the front cap here. Two 20-pound propane tanks along with your batteries. The batteries and propane get filled and installed upon purchase from us. Automatic tongue jack. Rock guard here for going on those rocky roads. Here's going to be your water heater, shower, fresh water connection, and city water connection. And back. Take a look at this massive slide here. For as big of a slide as it is, this unit is under 6,100 pounds. Take a look down here a bit more. We got your drains down below here, along with your stabilizing jacks. Those are in the front and the back. They are manual, which comes with its pros and cons. Massive storage here in the back, along with another magnetic latch there. This is going to be a 30 amp service. And on most of Cherokees and Forest River, sorry, not Forest River, but Cherokee, they're Wolf products. Most of them come with the backup camera already installed. Leaf latch for pup. Nice awning here up front, along with that nice LED blue light. And below here, and I believe, let's just get down here and take a look. It is not an unclosed underbelly on this one. Looks like parts of it is, but not fully. All right, let's take a step inside. First thing you're going to notice right off the bat, solid step stairs, very nice. Let's take a walk into the main bedroom. Actually, back up a little bit. As soon as you walk in, you have your control panel right here. And there's your scan for your backup camera if you want to connect it to your phone. Nice big bedroom. Plenty of room on both sides. Plenty of storage here. Reading lights for the Mrs. and Mr. Nice cabinetry on the inside here. A couple poles, hang your shirts up. Along with charger outputs on both sides. You can kind of see that there. Along with your emergency exit window in here. And a little bit of storage up top. Alright, let's get to the living room. First thing we're going to notice, nice big spot to put your TV, along with maybe DVDs, books, whatever you want to use a shelf for. Control your furnace here. Breaker box down below. There's that big slide. This dinette does turn into a bed. This camper does sleep up to 9. Nice big refrigerator. Freezer. Here's some massive pantry area here. Head to the back a little bit more. Two big bunks with that teddy bear series, nice and soft, nice and comfy. Ladder to get to the top bunk there. Turn over to the kitchen area. You do have a convection microwave. These are those new microwaves as well that does have air frying technology in them. So it is an air fryer as well. 3-burner stove. Nice big sink here. Cup washer right there. Just press down on that with your cup and sprays it out. Nice little drains here. Wash your veggies in there. Fruit. Soap dispenser. More storage above. You know, for being under 6,100 pounds, sleeping 9 and it has as much storage space as it does, it's very excellent. Oh, sorry, storage down below here as well. And then a couple drawers here with a wastebasket. Let's check out the bathroom. Nice tall shower. Bath, oh sorry, not bath, toilet, hair. Nice medicine cabinet here. Got your sink back here as well with some more storage down below. Again guys, under 6,100 pounds, sleeps 9, plenty of storage. Right over here, you're gonna have the nice jackknife sofa right across here from your entertainment system. This does pull down. Could sleep 2 on there. It might be a little short, but I wouldn't have any problem sleeping on that. If you guys want some more information, maybe set an appointment, or just come down and take a look at it, you can get a hold of me at 218-740-4997. If you guys like this video and you want to see more of them, please like, comment, or subscribe. Get them on your news feed, and you'll see anytime we put a new video. Thanks.